Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're going to put together another two patterns. We're going to go with this one. This is pattern 1111, and this is pattern number 3. We've used it before. You might recognize it. This one we just used really recently. So hang on. Let's grab this, copy it, bring it over here, paste it, and we're going to move it over here to the side and put it to a new layer. This one we're going to copy and do the same thing and put it to a new layer as well in case we need to move them around a bit. If I remember right, we put this red one right here, it gives us room for the black one to do its thing. So this time I'm going to be more cautious. See, it's only 3, not 4 for the second part. That's what's supposed to make this look like a heart. I got that wrong last time if you were watching the previous videos. So I'm going to be a little bit more cautious this time around. Not too bad. This is coming together kind of nice and quick. Hopefully I'm able to put it together easily. There. So now I need a dark gray. Let's see what we got in here. There we go. So one string comes across, goes like this. And it becomes the next one out here. And then there's a string that's on the outside that stays out here, and it bounces this red in. Like that. Right. So this is the one that comes through. Like this. So in this case, it's almost easier to track where the black string goes. This one is going this way. So you notice I'm not filling in the middle row. I'm not sure what we're doing with that. Last time we didn't want to do it with this string because we'd end up with a red square right in the middle. We'll see how it goes this time around. Right, so this red one comes down and it becomes this in here. That's this one. This one comes out. It connects over here. Black for this. Let's see how that red comes through. So this red. So it looks like the reds don't change their position unless you forcefully do it, which means the red that I'm working on right here will be a shorter strand than the other one. The other one keeps doing the 3, and this one keeps doing the 4. So that's interesting. It's in case you're interested in such things like that. I find that kind of stuff kind of fascinating. Let me just zoom this in just a little bit just to make it easier to hit my little targets. I guess now at this point, it's almost easier to do the red ones. Is that right? This one comes in like that. Got it. So this pattern 1111 is not terribly difficult. It's a little bit tricky. It's not something I would say is like, you know, a beginner's thing. Did that weird thing where it just kind of doesn't hit the box very well. I hate when it does that. Yeah. Yep, and we're already up to the beginning. So yeah, this is going by. I was kind of a little afraid this was going to take too long, but no, we're already to the beginning here. So there we have it. So there's the 4 red ones, and the rest are this dark gray. This cuts through here to become this one. This one cuts through here. Like I said, I'm not real sure about the middle, especially with it. We have this other pattern that we're mixing in with it, and I'm not sure if it's going to be an issue where instead of, say, a red dot in the center, maybe it puts something else. I don't know. I haven't finished these patterns out. I'm doing this in real time right here with you. So yeah, we will see how it goes as we do it. Oh, we missed a couple of the red ones right there. Looks like we got them all now. Okay, so there's our side with the hearts. And we could put the X over here right in the middle. Like that. And then put the O after it. Right? That looks pretty good. Right. Okay. I think that's our plan we're going with. So let's wow. There would be a little bit of the X right up here. I don't know if we need to leave that in. We might be able to use the black strings, maybe do some finagling and figure that out. But yeah. Let's, oops. I really don't remember how this pattern works. I think it's like this. And then the yellow comes out and hangs out this way. I guess by right, this can come out further. Same over here. We can let it go out further, and we can use the gray to cover that part there. That'll make it easier. Well, oh, I didn't mean to get rid of that one. Right? That just makes it, instead of having quite so many zigzags, we can make it do straight rows. Always trying to make it easier on myself when possible. I'm pretty sure the other way with the zigzags is the way that the pattern was supposed to go. But we can do better. We can make it easier. Especially since both of these patterns uses the gray. Well, in this case, it's really black, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, but look at this. This yellow for the center one is gonna be a problem with that red, so I'll bring it in on that one occasion, just so that way this can be a gray here. So that's funny. In the middle, it'll have to be different. I was afraid how this might turn out, but yeah, it'll work out fine. It'll just have one part where that's a little bit more difficult than the rest. Oops. that doesn't. Almost extended the length of the X part there. Unintentionally, of course. That one goes there. So this one would normally come out, then we'd be left with a choice of having it be red or be yellow. But if I turn this to come this way, right, this leaves all the rest of these to be the black. And that means there's one coming over this changes direction, comes over. We can actually make it so that way, like I said, we would have the grays to do all of the rest of that. Just kind of double checking my work, making sure we didn't leave anything out, because I'm going to use the select by color tool, and we're going to highlight what's left of the blue. Hit fill whole selection. We've got the gray in the paint bucket. There we go. All right, let's hide our inspiration. And now we get the select tool, and we select the whole top half. Copy, paste, and now we use the flip tool. Come down to the horizontal line that goes through the middle. Hit that. Now we can go back to the select tool so we can just anchor it. Let's take a look at the middle here. So yeah, it's a little bit of a zigzag mess on this one, but it gives us the gray center. And wow, we have simplified the X's and O's. We've made the heart shapes more like a heart shape and less like, you know, just straight V's like the last time. I think this one's going to come out better than before. I'm actually kind of excited about this. So there's our bracelet. Yeah, cool. Well, hey, thank you for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Before I go, I want to thank my YouTube members for making this possible. I need floss to do my work, and it's their contributions that actually make that a possibility. So if you care to join them, it's easy. Down next to the subscribe button, there's a little thing that says join. Join us and get your name up on the list. And yeah, thanks for watching. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.